Hey everyone, John Malco, Mighty Dog Roofing. I live in Gilbert. We've been part of the Arizona community now since 2008. I have triplet girls that are 15. My wife and I love Arizona. At Mighty Dog Roofing, we try to be a little bit different to set us apart. We try to take care of the homeowner. We want to make sure that whatever their issue is, that we develop a right solution for them to help their needs for their current environment. Whether that is a replacement or repair. At Mighty Dog Roofing, we try to be a little bit different to set us apart. We are customers focused. We want to make sure that we solve the customer's problems, not force something that is needed to help fit the roofing company. We try to become a trusted advisor to that homeowner, and we do things by doing complimentary inspections, drone scans, putting proposals together, explaining the materials, educating the customer, trying to make sure that they can make an educated decision on doing their roof. If the home's 15 years old or older, we highly recommend that you get an annual inspection. It is no charge. We will go up, take a look at the valleys, take a look at the tiles, if it's a tile, shingles, make sure that the shingles are in good shape, making sure if it's a flat roof, we handle foam, coatings, as well as rolled asphalt. We'll do a 25 multi-point inspection, and if we see anything that could be causing concern, we'll bring it to the homeowner and give them options to address it. A good time to give us a call would be sometime either after monsoon season or before monsoon season. We just had a large dust storm / haboob yesterday. It caused a lot of damage to a lot of homeowners. We recommend to be a little bit more proactive. Have somebody come up, take a look to see if there's debris in the valleys, if there's pigeon debris. These things are very harmful to your roof, and if it's not attended, it could definitely cause a major catastrophe. The debris in the valleys, broken mortar caps, especially for tile, if that is taken care of in a timely manner, it can prevent a bigger problem down the road and could cause thousands of dollars of damage or replacements. So for a minimal cost, we can go up there and we can take care of it and make sure that you have a clean bill of health to try to extend that 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road. We at Mighty Dog Roofing do things a little bit differently. We don't always say that you need a roof. We'll go up there, we'll take a look at it, and we'll give you an honest assessment. We just had a situation today where the customer had a leak in a valley area. We are giving them options. Option 1 to do the repair, and then option 2 to potentially do a full replacement. And if they decide to do the repair, at least they have a budgetary number to go down the road with, so that when it is time to do the replacement, at least they know what the cost is going to be to get that replaced. At Mighty Dog Roofing, not only do we do residential, but we also do commercial as well. At Mighty Dog Roofing, not only do we do roofing and gutters and windows and skylights, but we also try to give back to the community. We try to become a big part of that community. We give back to Castile Football Club, we give back to Awatuki First Fridays, we give back to Kids Kindness, we give back to Oakley's Oath, which is a large organization based out of Scottsdale, a nonprofit. Shoes for Soldiers, I'm big on military, like to give back to the military. We try to do things a little bit differently. If you decide to move forward with us on doing a roof replacement, we will donate $500 to a charity of your choice. Even though it doesn't rain out here that much, but when it does rain, such as last night, where we get 5 inches of rain in an hour and a half in some places, gutters can help prevent water damage by your foundation. It is meant to deter the water away from the house and get it out into your landscaping or into your driveway. So it's very important. Even though it doesn't rain that much out here, it's a good idea to possibly have some gutters on your roof. Having gutters put onto your roof, not only will it help get the water away, but it'll also prevent foundation damage, which can cause tens of thousands of dollars of damage to your foundation. So it is important to, when it does rain, to make sure that you have a system that's in place to make sure that that water is shifting away from your house and into the street or into your landscaping. So at Mighty Dog Roofing, not only do we do roofing and gutters, but we also do skylights. If you have one of those plastic acrylic skylights, it's probably very loud, it has a tendency of leaking. We provide Velux skylights, which are glass skylights that are sealed with a 10-year no leak guarantee. It reduces your energy costs. It also deadens the noise outside. We also offer solar shades on those skylights that come with a remote control so that you can control the light intake. We also do full window replacements. If your home is 15 to 20 years old, it is probably time to do windows. A big factor of lost energy and your electric bill being high is the fact that the seals have been broken. So we can do full window replacements, and when we do full window replacements, we not only do the replacements, but we also re-stucco and re-drywall with paint to match around the whole window, so that when we are done, it looks like the window was always there. A lot of window companies will just cut out the window and put the window back in, and then you are left holding the bag doing the stucco and the drywall and the paint. Whereas we are a one-stop shop. Once the job is complete, it'll look like the window was always there. We are very competitive. We offer valuable service and a great warranty on all of our windows. So we offer different types of window selections. There's a wide variety of windows out there. We hang our hat on Simonton, Pella, and Milgard. We offer 3 different options based on your budget needs. All 3 options are great solutions based on your budget. At Mighty Dog Roofing, when we do a proposal for you with a tile roof, we offer you 3 options. We have a 10-year, a 20-year, and a 30-year option. We hang our hat on Westlake products. Westlake is a national organization. They've been around for a long time, and we firmly believe in all of their products. At Mighty Dog Roofing, when it comes to shingles, we offer IKO, GAF, and Owens Corning. Owens Corning, we are a platinum preferred dealer. Only 1% of those roofers in the country are certified to offer you a platinum warranty with Owens Corning. Each shingle has its benefits, but we are here to fit within your budgetary needs. Not only do we do tile and shingle, but we also do specialty roofs. We do stone-coated steel and we do stainless steel metal, as well as flat roofs. We do foam, coating, silicone, rolled roofing, and TPO for those commercial projects. At Mighty Dog Roofing, if it has a roof, we can handle it. So give us a call today at 480-934-0682 and schedule your complimentary inspection, and you'll get a full detailed report of everything that's going on the roof, our recommendations for repair or replacement, depending on the situation.